grocery haul. So it's about to snow here in Maryland. So I had to go out and do a grocery haul. So these bananas, I got quite a bit because hubby likes lots of bananas. Eggs and bananas, yeah. Got the eggs. We got some turkey bacon, some brioche bread. That's going to be for breakfast. Gallon of milk. Slightly sweet iced tea for the hubby. Some butter because I'm going to be locked in here. I have to do the cooking. Hubby snacks. Some paper plates because I am not going to be stuck in here washing dishes. And we got hubby's oranges. Our snacks, some Cheetos and some Fritos. Those are the snacks. And we had to get some crackers so that we can have our peanut butter and cracker snacks. Town Home and Club crackers. Yeah. Hubby's peanut snacks. His peanut snacks. Some of these for hubby. He loved these. We got some fruit for our morning smoothies. Pineapple chunks. Some strawberry and the mixed fruit. And then we got some more snacks because we went to the DT to get some more snacks. Some more mixed nuts and my party mix. Don't judge us. Don't judge us. Yeah. This snowstorm is going to be for days. And if I'm going to be locked up, yeah. The Reese pieces, the kisses. Remember these? We got some of those and some more peanuts. You mix healthy with the bag, and you're going to be okay. Bye for now. Anybody out there in Maryland? I hope you stacked up. Bye.